All right. This one is about formatted strings, and let's run it and see what it looks like. So basically, when you have these different strings here, I have here the string chicken, and then beef, and then soup, and I want to output chicken soup. Now, I could do this by creating this and then doing meat1, so chicken, plus, and then quotation mark with a space sign, quotation mark closed, plus type of dish, right? And then it will output chicken soup. But it is a bit cumbersome, and there's some kind of more elegant and clean way of doing it, and that is using a formatted string. And the way to do this is by typing full equals f quotation marks, and then within the quotation marks just add in curly brackets the different values, and then it will also output chicken soup. So, and it's worth repeating, what's within the curly braces in Python we call a value. So meat1 is a value, type of dish is a value, and then the space here will also become a space, as we can see here. Right, so value 1 chicken, value 1, value 2 soup, and the space is in between, just like we see here. And if we remove the space between curly brackets, like I did here, then there will also be no space here. So I add it back, add the space again, run it, and now there's space again. And one cool thing about formatted strings is that you can put any valid expression in between these curly braces. So here I added a calculation to it, 42 plus 42, and then if we run this, we'll output here chicken space soup space 84, which is of course the evaluation of this expression.